everyone, welcome to our video. Let's begin with the book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge of class 5 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with a very interesting chapter today which is related to food, and the name itself is Food in Our Life. The act of making food or drinks impure by adding other substance to it is known as adulteration. It is called adulteration. अगर हम खाना बनाते समय या खाना और ड्रिंक्स में कुछ ऐसा ऐड करें जो उसको इम्प्योर बनाता हो, उसको अशुद्ध करता हो, we call that substance, we call that process of adding is adulteration. Now adulterated food is harmful for all of us. So in this chapter we are going to do this exercise which says take the common adulterant to the food material. Food material is given over here and the common adulterant is also given over here. यानी कि किस चीज़ में किस चीज़ की मिलावट करी जाती है ये दोनों को मेंशन किया गया है और आपको एक टिक लगाना है. Let's begin with the exercise now, and the first is in column base cereals. Food material is cereal and the common adulterant used is stone pieces. Then the next is pulses. In pulses the adulterant is metonyl yellow. Next turmeric जिसको हम हल्दी भी बुलाते हैं, and the common adulterant for this is lead chromate powder. Then the fourth one is coriander and the adulterant is cow dung. Then we have the fifth one, that is the black pepper, and the adulterant for it is papaya seeds. Chili powder, for chili powder the adulterant is here, that is the brick powder. Seventh we have the mustard seeds, and in mustard seeds argemone oil is what? It is the common adulterant. Then we have 8th milk, and urea is the adulterant for the milk. 9th we have asafoetida जिसको हम हींग के नाम से भी जानते हैं, हींग, और इसका adulterant है sand. Then we now come to the last one. The last is ghee, the 10th one, ghee, and the adulterant used is vanaspati. So with this we have completed the column A and column B matching. Let's now read the quick fact. Now the quick fact says that PFA standards have been developed to minimize adulteration. PFA standards have been developed for what? For the purpose of minimizing the adulteration to the foods. So this is all about the chapter. I hope you have understood how the various kinds of adulterants have been added or are added in the foodstuff in order to make them impure. Be cautious while using these foods items. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.